In this video, I will show you how to publish a Tableau workbook to SharePoint via OneDrive link. First, open your browser and go to the Tableau website. Go to the left side of your screen and click on Explore. Once it loads up, click on the card you want to open, go to the top right part of your screen, and click on Publish. A pop-up will then appear where you can input details like the name, location, and other customizations. Once done, simply click on the Publish button. Then, on a separate tab, open Salesforce Admin Insights. Click on the three dots to bring up the menu list and select Share. Here, you can either input the username to share it with or copy the link and paste it anywhere you want to share, including SharePoint via OneDrive. And that's how to publish a Tableau workbook to SharePoint via OneDrive link.